Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how to upgrade some bearings on your Certate 2500. This is a new one with the mag seal in it. Today we're going to upgrade the two bushings into the handle knob into bearings. You're going to need a small jeweler screwdriver, a Phillips screwdriver, and you're going to need some bearings. The bearings that you're going to need, this one is for the handle knob. You're going to need two of these. So to remove the handle, just hold on and twist it counterclockwise. And there, handle's off. Put the rest of the reel away. On this particular handle knob, there's a cover on here. You can just use your fingernail to pick it off. If not, you can always use a flathead screwdriver. Just comes up just like that. You're going to see a screw inside. It's a Phillips screw. Just take your screw, put in, and then just turn. There you go, screws off. You can just pull the handle knob out. You can see that there's a bushing in here and there's another bushing in here. Just take the bushings out. You can use a thin wire that's angled. Just going to pull the first bushing out. Take this, put this in, and take the second bushing out. We're going to replace these bushings with bearings. Now before we put the bearings in, we're going to prep them. To do that, we use bearing oil. The one that I like to use is the Boca Lightning Lube high speed oil. Works really good, has a low viscosity. It's very good for fishing reel bearings. Just going to put a drop in each bearing. Just like that. Next thing we're going to do, we'll take one bearing, put it on the knob shaft, put the knob on there, and put the next bearing in. And you take the small screwdriver, just push the bearing in. Once the bearing is in place, take the screw and put everything back together. By doing this upgrade, the knob is going to be smoother while you retrieve. You're actually going to feel, especially if you have a fish on the other end. Once it's tight, make sure it spins a lot nicer than the stock bushings. Which means that it's going to be a lot smoother. Just take the cap and pop it back on. The next thing we're going to do is just to put the handle back on. It goes on very easily. Just hold on to this, to the rotor, and then just twist the handle back in. Once you find the right groove, just twist and tighten. There you go. You just upgraded to, you just added two bearings to your new Certate. Thank you for watching the video. I hope that helped you. Thank you very much.